Good morning. I'm Jen Amos with Weiss Research, and this is your morning market alert for Tuesday, October 18th. Andy Myers is off for the next 2 weeks. Bank of America said its third quarter net income increased to $6.2 billion compared to a year-ago loss of $7.3 billion. This beat analysts' expectations. The company reported that it benefited from a gain in adjustments to structured liabilities, a gain from its sale of half its stake in China Construction Bank, and a gain in trading debit valuation adjustments. Another financial giant, Goldman Sachs, reported a third quarter net loss of $393 million. The bank said the uncertain macroeconomic environment led to declines in investor confidence and asset prices during the quarter. Goldman shares dropped in pre-market trade. Johnson & Johnson said its third quarter profit fell to $3.2 billion from $3.4 billion in the year-ago period. IBM reported a 7% rise in third quarter net profit, but its revenue was below Wall Street's expectations. In pre-market trade, shares of IBM dropped. UnitedHealth Group's third quarter net profit slipped 4.7% from the same period last year. The company repurchased 18 million shares in the third quarter, bringing year-to-date repurchases to 46 million. The firm said total revenues rose 6%. After the stock market closes today, Apple, Yahoo, and Intel are due to release their results. It's also a busy day on the economic calendar. Data on September producer prices and the NAHB Housing Market Index for October will be released. U.S. Treasury Secretary Timothy Geithner will testify this morning at a hearing of the Senate Committee on Small Business and Entrepreneurship, which will focus on the implementation of the Small Business Jobs Act of 2010. In the afternoon, Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke will give a speech at a conference in Boston starting at 1:15 p.m. Eastern. He'll discuss the effects of the Great Recession on central bank doctrine and practice. U.S. stock futures were mostly lower after data showed China's economic growth slowed in the third quarter and ongoing concerns over Europe. China's gross domestic product rose 9.1% in the third quarter from a year earlier, marking a slowdown from the second quarter's 9.5% gain and below expectations for 9.2% growth. The Eurozone crisis remained in the spotlight after Moody's Investors Service said it would monitor the stable outlook on France's AAA credit rating. That's the latest from Weiss Research. I'll be back after the opening bell with all the market reaction.